If you haven't tried one of my breakfast burgers yet, here's your chance. First, we have to start with our bacon. Now, the temperature control here is going to be important because you want to cook your bacon on the left side on medium heat. On the right side, you're going to want to turn that Blackstone griddle to low heat. The lowest you can get temperature control is going to be key here on your Blackstone. But first, we got to ask, are you team crispy or are you team floppy? Because your boy Puffin here is team crispy. Look at that bacon, all crispy, ready to go. About 6 to 8 minutes cooking on that left side of the griddle. Now we're gonna take our patty, 4-ounce patty here of 80/20 with our Tailgate Foodie seasoning. You know I love their seasoning, it goes on everything. We're gonna smash that down. Now we're not making smash burgers here, we're just gonna press it evenly and make sure all the edges are pressed down so you don't have anything overcooked or undercooked. You get a nice sear, a nice press on that. Then we're gonna put our eggs on that right side. Remember, I said low heat. I like to cook my eggs on low here. I don't wanna cook my eggs on high, so low heat, crack each egg in there, and it keeps it contained. Then we put our buns over there as well. They're toasting, so everything on that right side of the griddle is low heat because we don't wanna burn or overcook anything. We wanna take our time. I've learned that throughout the years because I've burned a lot of food, and I know what it's like when you do that. It drives you a little bit crazy. So we got 3 eggs in there. Put a little bit more of that Tailgate Foodie spice right on top of those eggs because why not? It just tastes so yummy. All right, flip that burger after about 80% cooked, and then we're gonna throw on some American cheese because it melts better than anything else out there, and our eggs are done, and they're easy to contain in there because we got the containers. So we're gonna flip them now. Flip each one. The trick here though is to let them cook for about another minute after you flip, so you get that nice yolk in there. I like mine over medium, and over medium is about another minute on the other side. Now you saw what I did there. I turned off the left side of the burners. They're totally off now, but it's still gonna keep that residual heat melting that cheese on your burger. We're gonna form our breakfast burger here. We're gonna put a little mayo on the bottom, and I'm a pickle guy, and I love Grillo pickles. They taste amazing. If you've never tried them, you need to go get them. Hey Grillo, if you wanna be a sponsor of the channel, just let me know, but the pickles are great. So put 2 pickles on here on the bun, and I'm happy with the way these pickles came out. Then we're gonna put our patty right on top, get that nice and crispy on there with that American cheese, and then we're gonna throw on our bacon, which is, my Blackstone has a warming drawer, which is a godsend. I love it so much. 2 pieces of bacon right up top here. Then we're gonna go ahead and snag a bacon to eat because, you know what, quality control is our friend, and I'm cooking it, so I should try it. Let's put our egg right on top, get that as crown jewel, and then I will put that Herdez hot sauce. I like the green flavored. I love it so much. It tastes so good. It gives it a little bit of spice, but not too much. I like spicy things, but spice has to have flavor. Look at this burger, how it turned out. Oh my gosh, this thing is gooey, ooey, and amazing, just like it should be for a breakfast burger. Look how happy that guy is. Oh my gosh, this thing tastes phenomenal. You guys will enjoy it. And hey, if you want to use the seasonings I'm using, always check out my profile and description for links to go to the tailgatefoodie.com and use Big Puffin Eats at checkout to get your discount. All right guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.